Well, this one it doesn't start. Like, do the buttons work? Nothing works. No. Went through the washing machine too many times.
Maybe.
Yeah. All right, let's get it done. All right. It was really low yesterday, so I'm gonna charge it up for a minute. I'm gonna do the door key in the meantime. Get it out. I'll just read it. Make sure it works first. We got fire trucks here. We're gonna copy this one. Read this key. Key blank. Y159. Next. 8 cut. Decode. Next. All right, we got a key code. Check it. 213-2242. Looks right. Cut the new ones. Make sure this works. Uh-oh, it's not working. Alright, well, both of these keys look the same. I'm going to shave this part down and I'll bet you it'll work. Happens sometimes. I don't think this key is cut wrong. We'll try it. The key looked right to me. I had the red and then gave a code, so there you go. Sometimes you just gotta shave this area down. And then it works. So. Alright, let's cut the other one. Another locksmith sent it to me. Why? What's that? Oh, that you're at the shop right now and they're confused? Who's confused? It's a 24.
Oh, no, I know, but there's
I'll call him and tell him.
okay, he's gonna call one customer and I'll let you know.
Okay, let me call the dude.
Okay, alright.
Alright, let's try this key out. Okay, let's plug them in. We're gonna plug in over here on the all green one. So nice if this was out of the way. There's a whole bunch down here. Okay, we're in. Let's connect to the OBD. Connect this one. That's for power. So use the Smart Pro. You don't need that one, but no reason to use a Smart Pro on this one. Alright, we should have enough to do it. Nobody has a key that does start. It says no key detected, but if you push this in, that's when it starts. So I'm gonna read the VIN. Got a good battery. You're in a Dodge. Why is it coming up this way? It's like a 2020 Ram. Okay, we're gonna read a password. Ignition off, hazards on. Okay, we got our password. Keyless system. We're gonna do key learning. Here, let's just go back for a second. We're gonna do number of keys. So there's 2 keys currently. Okay, hold it near the center console. And then press it twice. Usually just repeatedly press that or hold it down. You want to hear the lock cycle. Sometimes it goes all the way through, says failed, and then you'll hear the lock cycle. So I turned my camera off before that happens. I'm going to try to keep it on this time. It's like hitting the likes on TikTok. My fingers are getting tired. See, look, watch. Learning failed. Next key, no. Nope, didn't take it this time. I wonder why not. Let's try the other one. These are aftermarket keys. Maybe that's why. This one took pretty quickly. Number of keys is 3. Next key, yes. Yeah, we'll check the battery in this one. And of course, I was reading at 2.9 volts. That's going to be low. Put a new one in. 3.1, 3.2. Let's go program it. Learning failed. Let's go check this chip. Check this chip. Locked. That's weird. It was unlocked. So why is it not working? It is working. I just heard the car beep. Freaking annoying. So it does, I don't know why they do that, where they say failed, but then they start working. Now it's probably gonna say 4. Let's see. Number of keys, 4. So, I don't know. But anyway, it starts. I'm gonna make sure all these both keys start the car. And we'll be out of here. So, just leave everything on the table. Unplug. All right, let's make sure the car doesn't start. Like we're doing some sort of program. Okay, doesn't start. No key detected. Let's bring one in. Fire away. Okay, this one works. Buttons work. Try this one. All right, we're all set.